I'm Kunal Modi, and this is Mr. Cuellar, the science teacher at Reading Junior High. What is your view on solar energy?
Solar energy is something in the future that we need to make sure we're using today. We need solar energy as a renewable source of fuel, so we can steer ourselves away from fossil fuels and stop hurting the planet. Solar energy will be here as long as the sun is shining, and as long as we can figure out how to harness that energy so we can use it here as efficiently as possible. It's all around us, so we need to be doing that.
Do you think we're making it available to the energy consumers?
That's a great question, our government, for some reason right now, is kind of holding back the technology that's available to us. For instance, you can buy Chinese solar panels relatively cheap, but when they get to America, there is a huge tax put on them that make them cost a whole lot more, just like in Germany. In Germany, they have very good solar panels over there, they're very efficient, but by the time they come to America, they're taxed very heavily. And one of the underlying facts there is that the oil companies are actually making sure that happens, so we keep using oil and we don't go towards solar energy and more renewable energies. We're making inroads there, but it's a supply and demand.
Lastly, do you use any solar power as an energy source?
Yes, and that's another great question, Kunal. I have a 2-watt and a 10-watt pack that's about the size of this table. When we go camping, we use that all the time. I also have a DC inverter that you can hook up a regular battery to it, and the sun will charge that battery like one that's in a car, and you can use it for up to 8 hours. You can run a light, a TV, a refrigerator, and things like that. When we have a hurricane or some other natural disaster, instead of using a gas generator, you can use the free energy from the sun all day long.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you, Kunal. All right.